Radiator covers with built-in shallow storage turn wasted heat zones into usable shelf and surface area so small homes can get furniture where they need it. Start by measuring the radiator length, depth, and distance from the floor to the bottom of the window so the cover does not obstruct convective airflow or window operation. Choose materials that tolerate surface temperatures up to 120 degrees Fahrenheit and avoid fully sealed boxes. Instead, plan perforated or vented top panels and side openings to preserve heat transfer. For a bench-style cover, use a hinge top with gas springs or piano hinge to allow easy access to the cavity for maintenance and bleeding valves, while keeping storage shallow so warm air still circulates. Integrate slim shelves 2 to 3 inches deep for books and plants, and add integrated shallow drawers in the front that ride on simple wooden runners to hold items like remotes or mail without blocking vents. When working with baseboard units, leave a gap of at least 1 inch between the cover face and the heater fins to prevent heat trapping and to allow easy panel removal for service. Seal joints with high-temperature silicone where necessary and finish with heat-tolerant paint or oil-based stain so the piece looks cohesive and resists discoloration. Common mistakes include creating a sealed box that cuts convective flow, which you fix by adding perforated vent panels on the top and sides and by keeping storage shallow so air can rise freely. Another frequent issue is using materials that warp or off-gas under repeated heating cycles, so select solid hardwoods, metal, or heat-rated plywood and test finishes on a scrap piece before installing. A third problem is making access difficult for maintenance, which you avoid by using hinge tops or removable front panels secured with simple fasteners, so bleeding valves and service points remain reachable without disassembling the whole unit. We run bighomeprojects.com, where we connect homeowners with local contractors and provide project ideas focused on practical solutions like radiator covers with storage. On our site, we also host an active discussion community so we can share photos, measurements, build tips, and contractor recommendations with each other.